Hello viewers, I have a question for you. What will you be doing at this exact time tomorrow? If you can answer that, you are already halfway to the future continuous tense. So let's master this tense through this short video. I'm gonna teach you in English.
And I'm gonna translate in Odia.
Alright, let's get started. I shall be waiting for you.
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବି।
We shall be waiting for you.
ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବୁ।
You will be waiting for me.
ଆପଣ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବେ।
He will be waiting for you.
ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବେ।
She will be waiting for you.
ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବେ।
They will be waiting for you.
ସେମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବେ।
The boys will be waiting for you.
ପୁଅମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବେ।
But my dear friends, we shall be waiting for your like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.